somewhere in a Chinese government database. A drone that doesn't officially exist just got a name. And if the early whispers are right, that drone might not even need to be registered when it lands in your country. Stay with me here, because by the end of this video, you're going to understand exactly why DJI insiders are calling this the biggest Air series leak in 3 years, and why the last 2 minutes might save you from making an expensive mistake this year. I'm not exaggerating when I say this could reshape the entire "which drone should I buy" conversation for 2026. So don't touch that skip button yet, because what happens at the 7-minute mark is going to make a lot of Air 3S owners very nervous. Welcome back. If you're new here, this is the channel where we chase down drone leaks before they become press releases. Today, we're breaking down the actual registry sighting that started it all, what a sub-250G Air series drone would mean for you as a flyer, the 2025 prototype leak nobody connected until now, and the U.S. regulatory hurdles that could keep this off American shelves. Stick around until the end for my definitive answer on whether you should buy an Air 3S right now or wait. Let's get into the actual source. On May 11th, 2026, a well-respected outlet in the space published documentation pointing directly to the DJI Air 4 arriving before the end of Q4 2026. This isn't a blurry factory photo or a forum post. It showed up inside a Chinese civil aviation compliance platform. Manufacturers don't add placeholder names to regulatory software for fun. Seeing the Air 4 in production-grade compliance software means internal development has crossed a major threshold. This is a paper trail connecting directly to real physical hardware. Now, here's the rumor blowing up drone forums. Early chatter suggests the Air 4 could land under 250 grams. The Air series has always been DJI's middle child. Bigger than a Mini, smaller than a Mavic. If a drone with true flagship-level imaging punches below the strict registration weight class, it completely rewrites the travel drone category. It stops being a compromise and becomes the obvious first choice for creators who want pro-level footage without the bureaucratic overhead. While still rumor tier, it fits DJI's recent weight-shaving pattern perfectly. Let's rewind to early 2025 when a crashed prototype photo surfaced online via leaker Jasper Ellens. Looking back, those noticeably thicker arms pointed toward structural reinforcement, upgraded motors, or bigger batteries. More importantly, the top-mounted sensor array looked strikingly similar to leaks for the upcoming Mavic 4, featuring 3 obstacle avoidance sensors plus a lead beacon. Seeing flagship safety tech trickle down into a mid-tier Air series means a true generational leap is underway. Let's set expectations. DJI has said nothing officially. However, speculation points toward dual 1-inch sensors on the Air 4, delivering massive improvements in low light and dynamic range compared to the Air 3S. We're also expecting improved omnidirectional sensing backed by that top sensor array, a generational bump in battery life, and a retention of the rock-solid O4 transmission system. It's a spec bump designed to make current owners upgrade instantly. DJI historically follows a 2 to 3 year release rhythm for the airline, pointing straight to a window between September and November 2026. However, we haven't seen official FCC filings yet. FCC filings are the golden standard for confirmed global launches. Until that filing drops, the Q4 window is our best estimate, not an absolute guarantee. Let's address the elephant in the room: U.S. regulatory status. The Air 4 is not currently on the FCC-approved equipment list. While the FCC recently extended software update waivers for existing approved drones out to 2029, brand new unfiled hardware faces a much tougher authorization battle. American buyers could face longer waits, import hurdles, or even scenarios where official domestic channels are restricted. It's a major wild card for U.S. creators. So, should you buy an Air 3S today or hold out? If you live in a region with a stable, low-friction import situation and have a few months to spare, waiting for a sub-250G body with dual 1-inch sensors is a massive win. But if you're in the U.S. or face tight project deadlines this quarter, buy the Air 3S now. It's a proven, readily available, top-tier tool that won't leave you stranded in regulatory limbo. That is everything we know about the DJI Air 4 so far. From the registry leaks and sub 250G weight rumors to the regulatory tightrope. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Are you holding out for the Air 4 or grabbing an Air 3S right now? If this video helped clear up the rumors, hit subscribe with notifications turned on so you don't miss the moment the official FCC filing drops. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.